Hey guys, it's Justine. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a Dua Lipa inspired makeup tutorial. So it is morning, good evening, good afternoon, good night, whatever time it is for you. It is 6:08 a.m. I woke up at around 4:30, filled with existential dread. Couldn't fall back asleep, so I thought I'd be a little productive today. One of my friends a couple of weeks ago messaged me on Instagram, sent me a picture of Dua Lipa, and he was like, you guys, you should dress up as her for Halloween. I was very complimented. I'm very, very envious of her eyebrows and her eyelashes and her full lips. So I thought I would try to recreate that today. Dua's usual look is very glowing, simple. She doesn't overdo the makeup whatsoever. It's quite natural and just like luminous. So I'm gonna be going for that sort of look today. Let's start it off with the skin. So last night, before I went to bed, I put on my like rosehip oil. So my face is feeling baby smooth right now. I'm gonna start it off with the Hylamide Blur Primer, and this is from Deciem. Gonna have to keep these things close to my face. And another product from Deciem, I'm using the Ordinary's Serum Foundation. So this is very, very lightweight, minimal coverage. I'm gonna be mixing it with a bit of the Drops of Sun Honey Bronze from The Body Shop. So this is a bit too light for me right now. Getting into summer, my body's getting slightly more tanned. Also, Dua has a nice golden glow to her, so we're gonna mix these guys up. It just splattered all over my thighs. I'm also not wearing pants. All right, I'm gonna give it a little mix here. Just going to come in with a bit of concealer. So this is the NYX HD Studio Photogenic. Also for this tutorial, I'm going to be quite brush-less. I'm going to be using a lot of these fingers to apply my makeup. I feel like because she has such a simple, glowy, dewy, sort of luminescent look, I thought that I would try to keep it natural and use the feelers. I know I literally just said that I was going to be using fingers as much as possible, but I only have powder bronzer / contour. So I'm not gonna risk not blending that guy out, so let's go in with a little brush here. And I'm gonna come in with the highlighter over here for a sort of all over glow. I'm gonna be doing a separate highlight with some Fenty highlight afterwards as well. Usually I do my highlight more over here, but looking at Dua's photos, it seems like it's more applied on her, like more of the apples of the cheeks. So I'm gonna be kind of going down like this. She's kind of just glowing all over. So on top of that, I'm going to be using this cream blush. It is from Misha. It's kind of rubbed off, but this is from Korea. Again, applying it to the apples of the cheeks. Okay, so moving on to my eye makeup. I'd say the brows and the lashes are the most integral part of Dua's look. So we're gonna really try to play up my brows today. I did get eyelash extensions. I am going to be making a video about my experience with them as well. I got them a couple of weeks ago, so I will be finishing the video in a few weeks, if anyone is interested at all. So I'm going to be coming in with my Essence pencil, and I'm going to be overdrawing my eyebrows a bit. So looking at her photo, her tail does extend down a lot more than mine, and it's probably about double the width. I'm not gonna go that crazy because I'm going into work today. So I will mute it a bit to suit my actual brow shape. Hopefully the effect shows though. Going to be mimicking the hair texture as well by doing upward strokes before I blend it out. I'm going to come in with a bit more concealer just to define the shape a bit. Alright, and Dua's brows are also really feathery, so I'm going to be using this gel brow mascara. It's called Make Me Brow, and it's also by Essence. It's like $3. I've never used Boy Brow by Glossier, but I'm pretty sure this is a pretty good dupe. Can't imagine Boy Brow being exponentially better than this. Okay, so we're going to go on to the eyeshadow. So I'm gonna just crack open my Morphe palette here, and I'm gonna be doing some dabbing with my fingertips. Very tool-less application. Oh, my alarm just went off. This is the time, 6:30, that I was supposed to be getting up today, but alas, could not sleep. Gonna be doing a tool-less application. I think this might be one of the only times I've ever applied eyeshadow with my fingertips, so let's see how it goes. I don't need any more tools in my life. I'm gonna go with this baby right here, whatever color this is, all over my lid. And for the corners, let's go in with this metallic bronze shade, very bottom corner. I'm gonna get my spoolie out. For my eyelash extensions, the woman who did them gave me a little spoolie to brush them out. I don't even brush my hair, but now I have to brush my eyelashes daily. So something that Dua and I definitely do not have in common is a frequent use of mascara on bottom lashes. I often find that it like migrates its way down my eyes within mere seconds of application. So I usually do not, and I also don't buy waterproof mascara, so I mean that could be a possible solution for me right there. Anywho, for the purpose of this tutorial, I will be doing some bottom mascara. My tried and true, my favorite L'Oreal Voluminous. So we're coming in with the Fenty Beauty Matchstick in the shade Starstruck. I'm gonna do a bit more on the tip of my nose. as well. So the final step will be lips, and I will be using the Tarteist lip paint in the shade Birthday Suit. Her bottom lip is a bit wider than mine, so I'm going to be accentuating the corners over here, slightly over drawing them. And she does have quite a pout, so I'm going to be going in with the contour kit again and just lightly, very ever so lightly, giving myself a bit of shadow underneath my lip. Alright, so the final step, looking at her looks, she's all about the lip gloss. Her lip gloss is poppin'. I don't own lip gloss, so we're going to be using coconut oil. I know it's a makeup remover, so I have to be very careful not to remove my lipstick with this. We got some gloss. Yeah, we do. We got gloss. I'm going to take my hair down and show you the finished look. Okay guys, there you have it. There is my Dua Lipa inspired makeup tutorial. Hope you guys enjoyed it. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comment box down below. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. Even if you hated this video, feel free to subscribe if you're a masochist. Alright, that is it for today. Hope to see you next time. Bye!